Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna have a surprise. I got some more clothes, shall we say, for which I may take on the trip. I made a purchase online and I'll explain that all later, but I'm showing you right now. Okay, I received this lovely box. I got a cute hat from, where is it? Bohemian Wonders, it is. She has a lovely YouTube channel. That's how I got to know her. And she sells vintage and upcycled clothes and accessories. And I just basically did an impulse purchase because I always wanted to get a green dress. I saw one at Zara's, but I decided maybe I should buy it from a small business owner, a fellow YouTuber, way bigger than me, but anyway. Yeah, because I really love her whole style and I love her whole concept. She's really charming and cute, and yeah, that's why. To unpack this quick here, I opened it up because I couldn't wait, but this is the first time I actually look at it. We got this cute little summer hat here, straw hat. Oops. Adorable, with the little bow on it. And we have a baggie of goodies in here. I'll show you in a sec. Sorry. And then we got this lovely belt, because my belt I have is falling apart. It's just a stretchy belt. That's not vintage, obviously, that's new. And then the piece de resistance is the dress. Isn't that gorgeous? So I'm gonna do a few errands first, and then I'm gonna show you what I bought one more close up. And of course I'm gonna put this on. I just noticed that it's see-through. Oops. See if it has a liner or not. Might not. I don't see one. Oh yeah, there is one. Right there, good. Halfway. It's just not in the cup for some reason. But if you have a nude bra on, it should be okay. But look how cute the pattern is. It's gorgeous. There's no label on it, so she cut the label out. There is something there. Anyway, you can see it. There's two dots. You can barely see it on the inside and the outside, but it's there. Yeah, so okay, let's unpack that, shall we? The hat first. Let's see, he's got this cute bow. See if it fits my head. I've got a big head, so sideways probably. Not bad. Does fit. Now let's check out the jewelry. Oops. We got this pretty, I don't know, what do you call that? Goes around your neck. Like this. Obviously that's not the right. I'm gonna put on some other clothes so you can see, but yes, pretty, right? Got that. Then Oh, look at this. It's a tiny little thing. So cute. Love these little baggies. Perfect for traveling, you know. Oopsie. Going traveling, so, right? Perfect, perfect. Oh, these are adorable. Show you in a second. Okay, this thing is not focusing, so there. See how pretty? Gorgeous. Love those. Very vintage inspired. Plop them back in here. Plop this back in here. This cute little baggie. Bag in a bag in a bag. Okay, so we already saw the belt. Nothing. Good. Oh, this one doesn't want to focus. Interesting. Anyway, there's a belt. Just here. Regular belt. I hope it's not as badly made as the one I have. I think it's leather, so definitely better. Leather. English, I tell you. But now comes the piece that I just, no, actually there's something else in there I forgot to show you, but I'm showing you this first because I can't wait any longer because I haven't even seen it all the way out of the package. So go up. See how pretty it is? It's got the little ruffle thing on the bottom. And then it's got an elastic here. Hope this is gonna fit for my waist. Oh, it's in the back. Okay, good. The elastic's in the back. Very pretty. Not too long neckline. I'm just worried about it. It's not going to fit me because it's supposed to be a large. Well, find out. Now I don't have to send it back. I don't want to. I said large. Now we got this gorgeous kimono house coat kind of thing. Isn't that beautiful? I love the summer vibe. The arms, and then it's got a beautiful sash. I'm going to take this with me on vacation so I can put this on in the morning for breakfast. And I feel like wanted to get dressed right away. I hope not every day I have to get up early because, you know, those tours, you have to get up sometimes really early. It's like, this is for the days I don't have to get up early. Okay, so I'm gonna go and get dressed. I think that's it. Yeah, I'm gonna go and get dressed and hope that dress fits. I'm a little worried, so one sec. Bound to make mistakes. Real love, we thought, but it was always on fire. Our house, our dream. We were dancing on wire, reckless it seemed. I never felt like this before. Okay, so it actually fits perfect. I thought it would be too tight up here, but it's not because these poofy things go over, so just a different cut. And used to, but it's super pretty. Do you love it? I do. I'm gonna insert the picture of that Zara dress I wanted. It's obviously not the same cut, but it's sort of the same vibe. And this cut is way more flattering because it's got the high, what do you call that? Emperor waist? I don't remember what it's called, but yeah, it's high. So it's very flattering. Here it doesn't matter because it goes down here. So it's very pretty. And I think it is cotton, I'm not sure. Yeah, there's no label on it. And yeah, you can't really see my boobies here because I got the flesh colored bronze. So yeah, those little finds, you know, from independent shop owners, boutique owners, you can find on Instagram or YouTube. By accident. I really love her stuff. I want to get some more for the fall, but right now I got to stop my spending because I don't make enough money to spend all this. So subscribe to the channel so you'll see more on my trip coming up. This is not a fashion channel, it's a lifestyle channel. It also involves travel. There'll be a lot of travel going on pretty soon, so be stoked for the travel vlogs. And yes, the next video I hope is going to be the one that I get some more things packed up. More things, yeah. I hope my flight is not getting cancelled. There's a lot of flights getting cancelled lately because of, I don't know, stuff going on with the airlines. So fingers crossed, mine is still going. Okay. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And let me know in the comments, what do you think about this outfit? It looks beautiful, doesn't it? I really like the hair like this side. I don't care if I'm 50 something. I can still wear this, right? What do you think? Let me know in the comments, please. Okay, ciao. And make sure you follow Bohemian Wonders. I'll leave the links and the shop link and the Instagram link down there, of course, because I love her. She's cute and yeah, I love what she's doing. She's from Denmark. So yeah, okay. Now I'm leaving.